morning, guys. Finally, I woke up all the way now. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Check it out. There's some people down there looking at me. Oh, what's he doing there? Get a life. I just ate some candy for breakfast, hung out with the newest member of the server, Austin. What a nice guy. Also, we had a lot of stuff in common. I recommended him he read the Three Body Problem or the Remembrance of Earth Past trilogy. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna be doing some dishes here. I got my dishwashing soap. I got my sponges here, the stuff I need, and the water's right down here. This is where I rinsed off. I rinsed it off yesterday, but just so it wouldn't like get crunchy and difficult to clean up. But now I gotta clean it up properly right here. I'm gonna put my phone here so I don't drop it. Boom, all clean. Now for washing my hands. Over there, that's where I did the cleaning. This is what the setup looks like. That's where those fishers were yesterday. I'm just packing up, drying, and drying. I'm all packed up, and it started to rain a little bit, so I started to hurry the fuck up. Man, it's difficult to pack the tent down, like the outer shell of the tent. Oh my god, that was a hassle. My tent is kind of bigger than normally, but yeah, I got it done. Left no trace, left it cleaner than when I came. I picked up some garbage. Let's get out of here. I don't have a lot of power, so I need to charge up, but I'm gonna pick some cans up before then. Gonna hit the gas station and all that, you know. We're going through the golf field. It says, pay attention, or like, watch out. You might get a golf ball in your noggin. Oh. Oh, we can still get through. I've been driving around the forest for like a good few minutes and I saw this lake, and then I immediately knew I need to go this way. Let's go. Just talked to some local bums who gave me like 6 kronas worth of pant. I didn't really find anything. I feel like other people are collecting bottles. Or maybe it's just the trash bins being emptied, I don't know. But I'm gonna go on some more runs today. Maybe in 4 or 5 hours I'll do another run. I'm just gonna hand this in and go to the loud friend's apartment. That isn't his apartment anymore. Check it out, guys. I'm in the loud friend's apartment, but he doesn't live here anymore. I made, what do you call these? Grilled cheese with no cheese, but just ham. And then some of this sriracha chili. I haven't had one of these since my childhood home. Me and Mike, we used to eat these all the time. We're watching some Danish survival shit. It's just these laymen who aren't survivors who attempt to like do fishing and build boats and shelters and stuff.
Alone in the Wild. They have it from USA too.
I'm just eating another one of those sandwiches and about to drink some tea. This place is a goddamn mess, but I don't feel like I have to clean it up again. I already cleaned this place up a million times. I'm just drinking some tea. I put this on pause. I'm gonna do some editing. It's about time. I haven't done any since the last batch, which is like almost a week ago, so it's about time now. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, the first thing I did when I got here was take a shower. I was a little fishy smelling, you know? I don't want to be walking around smelling like fish odor. Considering the fact that no one else is going to, I'm gonna clean this fucking shit up. Oh my god, disgusting. 4 hours later. It's pretty good, right? Man, that was a smelly fucking smelly load. It had just been sitting there fermenting for God knows how long. It was a biohazard. It had to be done. Check it out, guys. This right here is what I made picking up bottles only in the gas station. I tried going to the train station, but when I was there, I spotted a guy with 2 plastic bags walking, you know, and picking up. Well, I didn't see him pick any bottles, but I could tell that that was what he was doing because he spotted there were no bottles up there, and he spotted me and he started hurrying, you know, to get to the rest of the trash cans. So I just let him have the trash cans at the train station. Then I heard the fuck over here. This is my fucking trash cans, you know. Now look what someone had placed next to one of the trash cans. I haven't collected a single one of these, guys. This is a huge bag. I don't even know how much is in here. This is probably equivalent to 2 full bags of this. So maybe like 10 bucks. Like, maybe more actually. Maybe like I don't know, like 80 krona, 12 bucks, 13 bucks. And then that, I mean, this is a good night. I made all of that and half of this in like a minute. This has been the easiest night so far. I'm really enjoying myself, and voice chat has been super active tonight. We had Dion, Stony, Austin the new guy, Jonas the new guy, and even Dilato, my longtime friend. Known him since I was 15. Yeah, we're just starting to invite more people into the server. I really like having it active in the voice chat, especially at night when I'm going around doing this type of stuff. It doesn't even feel like work. It's great, man. I love this routine of like going at night through all my trash cans, and yeah, it's nice, man. I'm starting to like this, but I'm not going back to the same old spot that I usually am at. I might go back to the spot I was at yesterday, or close to the lighthouse. Yeah, something like that. I'm not quite sure yet. But, next stop, McDonald's. Hopping back in voice. Okay guys, here we are. Tent is all set up, and just a little update about the bottle collecting. Basically, the guy, let's just call him the bald guy. He from the train station that was picking up bottles. He had 2 bags of bottles. I hurried over to the gas station to get those bottles, and if I'd been just 10 minutes late, then this other like limping bottle collector came over, and he would have gotten all of that stuff. I mean, of course, it's kind of sad for him that he didn't get it, right? Oh, look at that. That's the train right there riding on the bridge in the night, and you can see some cars there as well. But yeah, he came by like 10 minutes later as I was moving the cans from the large plastic bag into smaller plastic bags that I can tie to the bicycle like so. You know, I got 1, 2, 3. Basically, these 2 were just from the bag I found in the in the gas station, and this one I collected in my other spots. But basically, I was the only one of these 3 bottle pickers, you know, me and the 2 other ones who had an electric bike. So, you know, when I saw that limping bottle collector, I just hurried on the bike. I just left the McDonald's for him because he'd already gotten over there, and then I continued on to the OK Tank and onto the Burger King to get those before he got to him. But then he diverted and went down to an industrial area. And I'm guessing it's for the express purposes of picking up bottles. So I'm going to check that area tomorrow to see if I can maybe increase my haul a little bit. I mean, I do feel kind of bad for these guys. You know, you never know what their situation is. But I have a feeling I'm a little more exposed than they are. You know, most people who are limping like that, they get some kind of welfare. And I mean, both of them didn't look like they were homeless. They didn't have backpacks or anything like that. So they probably have an apartment. They're probably just a little broke and on welfare. Like, I'm genuinely broke. Like, this is the only money I'm making, right? So I shouldn't maybe feel that bad for them. But yeah, I gotta move my stuff back in here. Just a little update about the bottle collection. That's why I haven't been able to find bottles, you know, these past few days. I think I just gotta, you know, start patrolling a bit more, you know, to make sure that I get all the bottles. Especially, like, it was basically around 3 o'clock that they were all active. So I think that I've been doing very good by typically going around 2 o'clock at the latest to pick up bottles at the gas station. Cool. I got the bicycle over here. I'm just happy. Now I have money, and I got, oh yeah, I made a little, I'll show you when I get inside. I made a little lunch box, and I got 2 cans of soda from the Loud Friends apartment. It's Mike and Kiki's sodas. Okay. I'm just talking to Austin and Stony right now. Austin, the new guy in the server, and Stony as well. It's nice. We're really enjoying ourselves. Check it out, guys. I packed a little lunch box, just parchment paper, baking sheets, whatever you call them. And then it's just the most Danish thing ever. It doesn't look very appetizing, I will admit. It's leverpostej, or liver paste, I guess. I don't know what the proper translation is. Typically I eat this warm, but I'm Danish, so I can soldier through eating it cold. I mean, that's how I grew up, eating it cold for the most part on rye bread, right? With just a few slices of cucumber on there. Like, that's how we normally eat it. It's something children will get in their lunchbox for school. I certainly did. And then I got these aspartame bombs. I fucking hate it. No sugar, maximum flavor? I don't think so, dude. I don't think so. But hey, it's soda. And I fucking love soda. So yeah, this is dinner. Like 6 of these and 2 of those. And of course these have like 0 calories, 9 calories. Like, that's, yeah. But hey, it's better than nothing, right?